Hey everyone, welcome to AFS Hackers. My name is Afshan, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the Shoppy machine of Hack the Box. So it is categorized as easy, and here is the IP address. So let's copy the IP address and scan the machine. I have already connected with the VPN of Hack the Box. Let's wait. So our nmap scan is completed, and as you guys can see, we have port 22 is open and port 80 is also open. So let's see. Okay, so let's copy the IP address and connect with this port 80. Okay, we are having trouble finding this site, and as you guys can see, we have this host that is shoppy.htb, right? So we have to paste this host in our etc host directory. So let's paste the IP address here, and this shoppy.htb is the host name, right? So let's get it. So we have this IP address and the host here. Now let's access the site. Now it's working. So day 70, 37, 21 hours, Shoppy beta coming soon. Stay tuned for beta access. Okay, so we don't have any tabs here like login page or something. So let's find the hidden directory of this particular machine. So I'm going to use this GoBuster directory, and we are using this Shoppy site, and here is our word list. Okay, let's hit enter and wait. Okay, so we have found this login page, like 200 is the success code. So let's write login here. Okay, so let's try the admin very basic credential. Don't save. Error. Okay, so let's bypass this. If you know the authentication bypass, so it will be really easy, like whatever we are doing you guys can understand. Or 1 is equal to 1. We are providing this payload here, that admin is the username, and we are using this OR operator here, is 1 is equal to 1. So if this condition meant like 1 is equal to 1 is always true, right? So it will accept this particular payload. Let's log in. Okay, so we have the products of Shoppy app like PC, smartphone, backpack, jacket, ventilators, and controllers. And here we have this search for users tab. Let's click on it, and let's write admin and let's search. We have this download export. Let's click on it. Wow. Let's copy it, and let me open the notepad, paste it here. So we have ID, the username is admin, and here is the hash file, and here's the Josh, and here's the hash file. So let's find the subdomain by using FUF. So I'm using this sec list. If you don't know what is sec list, like you can download this particular sec list by using apt install sec list command. You can access this sec list under USR share, and now we are finding the subdomain because I think it is really important. It will take some time, like maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, so we have got this mattermost subdomain. So let me copy it and okay. Let's copy it here. Okay, so let's write mattermost dot shoppy dot htb. Okay, so we have to add this particular host in our Etsy file. Let's write nano Etsy host and we have to write the same IP address 180. Okay, let me save this file. Okay, let's get it. We have our shoppy.htb and mattermost.shoppy.htb in our Etsy host file. Now let's try again. Okay, it will take some time to load. Here we are. So let's copy this hash. It's in a JSON format. So let's copy this hash and let me just close this because we have already found this login page. Okay, so let's create a file called hash and paste the hash here. Okay, now we'll use hashcat, and I'm gonna use this rocku.txt file for as my word list. Okay, so I have already performed this action, so I have to use this particular switch, that is show. So let's see. Here is the password, that is remember me this way. This is the password of Josh. Let's paste the password here. Remember me this way. Okay. His password is, we have already saved. Remember me this way. Copy it and paste it here. Remember me this way. Let's log in. Don't save. Shoppy Slack channel, maybe it is similar to Slack. So we have coffee break channel. In coffee we have beginning of coffee break. Okay, on July 22nd July 2022, a member can join and read this chat. Okay, thus we have the system. You and two others join the channel. Okay, this is Jess. This is my cat. Don't you think he is really cute? Absolutely, he's really cute. Okay, deploy machine, it's another channel. And we have this user called Jaeger or Jaeger, I don't know how to pronounce his name. So what he's saying, hey Josh, for the deploy machine, you can create an account with these creds. Okay, so we have username. Okay, so we have his username, right? Jaeger. Let's copy it. Thanks. I'll remember that the deploy machine will be created within the next 24. Uh, okay. So they are deploying some kind of machine. Okay, good luck for that. Oh, I forgot to tell you that we are going to use Docker for the deployment. Okay, so they are using Docker for the deployment. It is a very important information basically. So I will add this to the first deploy. Okay, nice. Tell me when all is done. Okay, sure, I will. So we have found this Jaeger user's password, and let's explore some other channels as well. I love reading others people chat. Okay, so Josh is saying, what do you think about the new admin interface? Like we have seen this, right? Hey Jaiger, when I was trying to install Docker on the machine, I started learn C++ and I do a password manager. Okay, you can test it if you want. The program is on the deploy machine. So we have to find this deploy machine, right? And in that particular deploy machine, we have this password manager. And Jagger said, okay, I will take a look at it. So now we have his password, username and password. So let's SSH. Okay. SSH Jagger@shoppy.htb. Password. We have his password. Pasted here. Okay. pwd. Let's write ls. So we have this shoppy start.sh. Okay, so we have already got this flag, that is user.txt. Okay, great. I have already submitted the flag, user own. Like you just have to submit the flag, click on the submit flag and paste this particular flag here. Okay, and you have to set the difficulty. It was not really difficult if you know the proper reconnaissance, if you find the hidden directories and find the subdomain, so you can easily own the system user. Now let's explore. Okay, cd home ls. Okay, so we have two directories. The first one is Jaiger ls. Okay, so we have already seen that. Let's go to this cd deploy, and this particular password manager, the Josh were talking about, right here. Here, like I started learn C++ and I do a password manager. You can test it if you want. So let's cat it. Like let's see the source code. Let me make it more. Okay. Okay, welcome to Josh password manager. Please enter your password, master password. that is sample, and the access is granted. Here is the creds. The creds is access denied. We can test this particular password manager, like as Josh is saying here. You can test it if you want. The program is on the deploy machine. Okay, so let's test it. Sudo deploy home deploy password manager. We have already copied the Jaeger password. Welcome to Josh password manager. So Josh has set a very basic password, that is sample. We have found here sample. Let's hit enter. Access granted. The creds here. Okay, let's copy it. So we have this deploy username and the password. So let's SSH deploy shoppy.htb. Let's copy the deploy password. Paste it here. Okay, let's write who am I, deploy, we are deploy, pwd. Great, let's write ls. Okay, so as we have seen in the deploy machine channel that they are using the Docker for deployment, right? So we can run this particular Docker run command with the higher privileges like chroot to gain the root access. Okay, we are using this v option to mount the current directory into the Docker container, and this rm is for remove the container automatically when it exit, and this it is for interactive mode, and this is the root privileges in the Docker. So let's hit enter. Okay, who am I, ls pwd. Okay, let's go to this root folder. We are in the root folder. Let's write ls. Let's cat the root flag. Okay, sorry, cat root.txt. Okay, so we have got our root flag, and here is our user flag. Okay, user flag and the root flag. Basically, if you know Docker, then this particular machine is really simple, but I have to, search a lot. I have also write the write-up on Medium. I will also put the link in the description box, so it will be really easy for you to understand the payloads and what are the tools that we are using. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.